ThruNite has a flashlight. It's called the TI Pro. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. You know I love them flashlights. Ooh, man. You just get to shine lights on everything. You get to see who's coming. You get to see that animal out in the distance there. And ThruNite is my favorite flashlight company because they build some awesome flashlights that are super powerful, super durable. Quality is second to none, and I just love their innovation. This is a little tiny flashlight here, and we are going to check it out. So, true unboxing of this TI Pro right here. I definitely like their packaging. Always seems to be high quality here. And here is the flashlight. Obviously, it's not going to be super huge because the packaging isn't super huge. First of all, we get a nice clip here. This clip is black as well. So, kind of like how I like my coffee, kind of like how my heart is. So, very stealthy. That can go on there. I'll actually probably install it. We get a USB to USB-C charging cable right there, and then here is the flashlight itself. Oh yeah, come on baby. TI Pro, take a look at that. It is aluminum. It's very light but feels robust. Like I said, there are some of those pill canister like flashlights where the metal just seems almost flimsy, but this seems light yet super well built. So you can see the LED right there. It's kind of like a pen like light, but only like finger length long here. So it's kind of just finger sized. That's basically it. You have a little hole right there so that you could put a lanyard through there if you wanted. And then we have a couple of flat sides right there, as well as a little bit of knurling on the grip right there, and then some knurling around the lens up top here. And the way this cap comes off is right up here at the top. You can see the battery in there. It is a 920 milliamp hour 14500 battery. You can see the USB-C charging port right there. So that's how you would charge it up, which means that the whole thing is waterproof and you don't have a charging port that could be exposed to dust or grime. Now, one of the things that I noticed here is it just went on. So you just tighten it down like that, and now we have the flashlight on just like that, man. So this is how it works. You just tighten it down and it goes on, or loosen it up and it goes off. So this would be the perfect flashlight to have on your keychain, because when you need it, just grab it, twist it like this, or have it in your glove box or your day pack. So you tighten it down here, it goes on. Now to go through the different modes, low, medium, high, you just untwist it and twist it, untwist it and twist it back. So what we get here is that high, low, medium, high. See how it just goes through there? Very orderly, very predictable. So that's how you select that mode. And I'm going to go ahead and put this clip on right down here. So we'll have a little tail clip so I could clip this to my pocket. Looks like there is a little recess right there where I could move the clip if you wanted to reverse the clip and put it onto the brim of your hat. Use it as a headlamp. So now what we got to do is just top off the battery, charge it up, and then we'll take it out to the darkness and see if it illuminates the wilderness. Ooh, dark. Couple stars, 3/4 moon up there. Winter here. Colder than a polar bear's butthole out here, but this little flashlight can light the way here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this ThruNite TI and turn it on. Look at that. I did it with one hand because I've got the other hand on the camera here. But as you can see, man, lighting it up, no problem. I can see what's in the tree that's just about to pounce on me. It's a mountain lion. They can climb trees, by the way, but I could absolutely hike with this little guy. Like I said, clip it right to my brim of my hat. Then if I rotate it like this, turn it off and turn it back on, we step up. Man, look at that. That tree is illuminated like there's a spotlight on it. This is like a show. Now you can see here that the beam diffuses pretty good. So we get a really good flood out of this. Ooh-wee. The cold front is coming in. Then if I turn it and turn it one more, hope we go all the way to the low. See if we can do it up there. And then, ooh, all right, here we go. That's that bright. So, like I said, we get that super bright, the low, the medium, which actually is probably the mode I would use the most. It's just kind of a nice balance. And then if I go up one more, that's super bright. That is pretty crazy. So if you're looking for a flashlight that can go anywhere, that is super light, you know it's super well made because the people at ThruNite absolutely make stellar stuff. And you want to put this in your backpack, your desk drawer, your kitchen drawer, or your backpack, glove box, day pack, fanny pack, whatever. You can absolutely pick this up. Pound for pound, this is one of the best flashlights out there. I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.